Welcome back to part 2 of problem number 3. And hopefully at this point, you have figured out that we should let W equal the number 1. Now, that's not the only number we can use, but if we let W equal 1, that's actually going to cancel out A and C at the same time, allowing us to solve for B. So if you put a 1 in here, 1 minus 1 is 0, but 3 factors multiplied together with a 0 in it, all of that's going to be 0. So what we're going to do is plug 1 in for W. So this is going to be 1 squared plus 7 times 1 equals, again, all of this is going to cancel to 0. And so now I can do B times 1 plus 2 times 1 minus 4. And all of this will cancel as well because 1 minus 1 is 0. 0 multiplied by these factors will get rid of C. So we're going to be able to solve for B. And that's pretty simple. This is going to be 8 equals, this is going to be 3 times negative 3, negative 9b, divide by negative 9, and we get that b equals negative 8 over 9, okay? So now let's try something similar. Let's let w equal 4. Now, why is that a good idea? Well, you can see that 4 will get rid of a, it will also get rid of b, and it's going to allow us to solve for C. So let's plug that in. So 4 squared plus 7 times 4. Okay, remember that's going to get rid of A, so I'm not even going to plug that in. It's going to get rid of B, and I'm plugging it in for C. So this is going to be C times 4 plus 2 times 4 minus 1. So that's going to be 28 plus 16 is going to give me 44. This is going to be 6 times 3. This is going to be 18c. Divide by 18. Now I have to reduce my fractions. 44 over 18 can reduce to 22 over 9. Okay, and finally, I can do something similar to solve for B. So let's let W equal, oh, I'm sorry, no, I need to solve for A. I solve for B and C. So let's let W equal negative 2. Now, why will that work? Well, a negative 2 is going to cancel out B. It's also going to cancel out C, allowing me to solve for A. So in parentheses, remember you got to have parentheses when you substitute. Okay, so A times negative 2 minus 1 times negative 2 minus 4. This is going to be 4 minus 14. Remember, you have to have parentheses for order of operations. This is going to be negative 3, negative 6. This is going to be positive 18a. Negative 10 equals 18a. Divide by 18, and reducing gives me negative 5 over 9. So we have successfully solved for A, B, and C, and now we know the answer to our original problem. So I'm just going to write it out. We're going to get W squared plus 7W over W plus 2 times W minus 1, W minus 4. We know what that's equal to. We know it's equal to negative 5 over 9 times over the quantity W plus 2. We know negative 8 over 9 over W minus 1 plus 22 over 9 over W minus 4. And again, if you want to do some keep, change, flip, make this look a little nicer, we're going to have negative 5 over 9 times W plus 2 minus 8 over 9 times W minus 1 plus 22 over 9 times W minus 4.